G'day ladies and gentle tubers. It's early summer break and the treehouse is needing some upgrades for an aging young boy. So here's a quick tour before the upgrades begin. It's all 2-inch Douglas fir treated, ranging from 2x4s up to 2x12s for the main bearers. Stands about 15 to 20 feet in the air from the lower ground level. I have it mounted to the tree with 1-inch by 16-inch coach bolts and a specially designed bracket to ensure the structure floats off of the tree. I got a trampoline off to one side and a slide down to the lower level. There's a really nice big flat space down here and a lot of mature trees to hang other obstacles from. The upgrade plans at this time is 1 or maybe 2 zip lines, a staircase from the lower level up the embankment to the top level, and a bunch of cargo netting. I may also add some other accessories like ladders and a crow's nest and a bunch of other things, but we'll see how long the summer break actually goes for. If you've got any questions on the construction or the design, or if you've got any ideas you'd like to share, please comment and hit the like and subscribe if you'd like to see how this thing turns out. Thanks for watching Build Grow Play.